Hey, tech enthusiasts! It's time to dive into the latest leaks about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 series. Yep, you heard that right. The Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra have been spotted on the 3C certification site. So what do these leaks tell us? First up, the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus has shown up with the model number SMX820, while the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra flaunts the SMX926C model number. Both these devices are expected to support 45W wired fast charging, just like their predecessors, the Galaxy Tab S9 Plus and Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. It's anticipated that these new tablets will pack the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. This same powerhouse chip is also found in the Redmi K70 Ultra and iQOO Neo 9S Pro. This marks a shift from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset used in the Galaxy Tab S9 series. When it comes to the display, we're still in the dark about the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. However, rumors suggest that the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra will feature a massive 14.6-inch display with a design similar to its predecessor. Memory and storage options? The Ultra model could offer 12GB and 16GB RAM options, along with storage variants of 256GB, 512GB, and even 1TB. And of course, they'll likely run on Android 14. Now here's the kicker. These tablets might be unveiled alongside the Galaxy S25 series in early 2025. But remember, all these details are based on leaks and speculations. Samsung could drop an official statement anytime soon. So, stay tuned for more updates, and if you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech news. Catch you in the next one. TechDevil watermark.